Hey guys, so we are going to be doing section 4 of the assignment today, calculating inventory. And just real quick with the vocab for section 4, just the one word inventory. Inventory is referring to the amounts of goods and materials a business holds for the purpose of resale. So it's just fancy for saying the items they intend to sell. And that could include the finished goods themselves, like everything you see on the shelves in this picture, or it could be like if they make something, like if it was a bakery, um, the ingredients that they normally use to make their baked goods would count as the inventory, because the whole idea is to take those ingredients, put them together into a product that they're going to sell. That would count as inventory. All right. What would not be considered inventory would be, like, for example, stuff in the staff lounge where they are not going to sell the fridge, the microwave, the paper towels that's in the staff lounge. The purpose of that item is for employee use and not for resale. So that would not be considered inventory. This one over here with the picture of everything on the shelves, that would be considered inventory because their whole plan is to eventually, hopefully, sell all those things. All right. So calculating inventory. What you're doing when you're calculating the goods available for sale is you are looking at what is left in your store that has not been sold, and you're looking at the total value, like all of those items added together, what's the total value? In order to figure that out, we are going to take our beginning inventory, what we started with, subtract the amount that we sold, multiply it by the price per unit. Easy peasy. So for this one, we're going to take 150 minus 72. 150 is what we started with. 72 is how many we sold, and that should tell us how many we have left. We have 78 of this item left in our store. And it was $67.99 per item, so we're going to take that 78 times 67.99. And our answer is $5,303.22. Okay. We're going to do the same thing for the next item. This is what we started with. We're going to subtract that with the amount that we sold. Get 11. That's how much we have left in our store. It was $31.50 per unit, so we're going to multiply that 11 by $31.50. And we get $346.50. All right, one more item in our store that we need to calculate inventory for. So this is how much we started with, subtract how much we sold. To get the amount we have left, we only have 5 of this item left in our store. We're going to multiply that by the price per unit. And when we do, we should get $75. All right. So the last step for these problems for section 4 is just to add these 3 things together. And when we do that, we get $5,724.72. So that's the value of all the goods that we are hopefully going to sell but haven't sold yet in our store. So if our store burned down or something crazy like that happened, we could report to our insurance company and be like, hey, we had $5,724.72 worth of inventory in this store. All right, we'll go ahead and do number 12 together so you guys get some free answers and you know how to do the rest by yourselves. I think the numbers are actually different on your assignment, but I know that the problems are the same. Okay, so just the number right here might be different. Okay, so the second one under section for calculating the cost of goods of available items, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so go ahead and take your beginning inventory, subtract it from the units sold to figure out how much is left in your store, in this case 9, multiply that by 70, and you get $630. Same thing with this one, 30 minus 19, and you get 11 times 100 $1,100. Okay, 15 minus 5 times 130 equals $1,300. All right, now I just need to add those together. And I get $3,030, 30. All right, if you guys have any questions on this section, make sure you ask, and I think that's pretty much it.